What are you doing now, Dad?
Well, this is gingerbread cake house, and sure. And then if you want to make the side glue together, you need sugar. So first, we add some sugar into the pan. Like this much. And then we put the heater on here. And then we just wait until it's melted. The snow is melted. So if you want to make a gingerbread cake, it's quite easy. All you need to do is melt some sugar, and then you put this side together as a glue. The sugar is the glue, because when the sugar is dried, it's completely hard. So yeah, sugar is here. Now just wait until it's finished. It's getting warm now, and then the sugar will melt.
What are you doing now, Dad?
Now I will open up the box, and then I will glue the sides together. So just look at me here, and then I will show you. So first you open up the box. Varför upp det med så här med också. Så här. And then you take out this one. Så. Vänta då. Wait. So. And then you just throw this one away. Like that. Yeah. And then you open up here. Wait. Du inte gå här. Här är bara levant. This is the sugar. The sugar needs to be warm, so the sugar can join the sides together much easier. And this is extremely hot now. Just lower the little bit the heater, and then you just continue. Look how hot it is. This one is melted. See? So now you just take a spoon, a small spoon. Yeah? You take a small spoon. Hold me 200. Here, this is a small spoon. And then come here. And then you need a big plate. Here, a big plate. Var står här? Det står här. Där står du. And then you put the plate next to here. And then you take this. This is the side of the roof. So this is down. And then you come here. And then you take out this box here. This side here. This is the side wall. And this is the long wall, and you put it like this, in the joint together like this, see? Now the next one is that you put it, du kommer ha en kamera. Sätta kameran ned mot platan här. Upp, längre upp, högt upp, och så pike ner här. So, next you need now is do like this, inside here, and then this one, and then you join it together. Like so, look. And then you hold it like this for a while. And then the side will get so hard that it cannot move anymore. See? Just wait for a while. And then you can put it down here, and then you don't have to hold it anymore. like so. Now it's standing. And then you do the other side. Come here. And then you look down here. Show me now. Hold högre upp. Så här. And then you take out this one. You take out this one, and then you do the same on this side here. So, like so. You put it in here, and then you put it in the side wall here, like so. And then you just hold it like this. And then when you finish, that is actually the wrong side. The wrong side, because you want it on this side now. It's easier. Now just leave it like this, and then you just do it the other side, like so, and then put it together like this. See, and then you just wait until it's dried, and that should be very fast. And now you see here it's getting very solid, glued together. So, and you just put it down here for a while, and then now you can see that the house is taking shape. Now just wait for a while like that. And now next one now is that you just throw this one away like so. Litt til å vise på kamera. Sånn. Next now, this is, I'll show you. Now this is very hard. See, I don't have to hold it. I can just hold it like this, and the wall here is completely hard. Now, the next one here is getting solid. Just wait a little bit longer. You can put it to one. Okay, and then bare gå lenger unna. Hold skikkelig. Så. Ja. Next now, you make sure that it's like this. You want each like that. So we try that one now. Look, come here. Show. See you here, like this in the pan. And then you take the water here and put it over here, like so. And then you take this other side, and then you put it like this, and you put it in here, like so. And you need to do it very fast, or else it will not glue. Now just show here. Come here. Show you here. Now it's getting glue here, and glue on the other side here, down here. It's glued, and they're quite easy. Now just wait for a while, and then it's completely hard like stone. So the next one now, you take this one. This is the tricky part, because you want this entire side to get wet by sugar, right? So now you need to take the spoon, here spoon, and then you make sure that it's completely warm. As you can see, it's very warm. Come higher up. It's very warm. And this, you just put it on the side like this, and you need to do it very fast. Like so, and over here, and then you just take this one here, and then you put it like this. Ow. It's already dried, so I need to do it again. So I just try one more time. Like so, and over here, and then you put it back there and you try again. And you need to push it like in there so it will stick. So now it's already, so I need to do it again because it's very, come here, upon the sheet down. Let me show you here. Put water here, and you put water over here, and then you on also. It's not completely, it's like not matching. Okay, and I need to put it difficult now because it's not completely matching. Here and the other side, and we try again. And just leave it like this. So just hold it like that. Can you see? Show me. Okay. Försiktig här och varmt. Now it's stuck. See? The next one now you take this one and then you do the other side. So hard. And then you just do like this on the other side. Then you have a house. You take the spoon in the very hot liquid here. This is sugar, and then you paint the wall here. You need more here, and then make sure it's in the middle here, and then you take the other side. More liquid. So, and then over here, and then you go fast like this, and you put it in the hair, like so. And then you hold it like this. There's a crack now, but that's easy to fix. See, here's a crack. See, girl. And then you push it together, and then the crack is gone, like so. Now it's dried, yes. See how fast it dries? Okay, now you just need to do it again. You take the spoon, show her, and you put it on the side here, and then on the other side. And then you take it over here and you put it back. Now, try again. So just hold it in place, like so. And then you just wait. Like so. And now it's stuck. You hold it a bit more. You can put some sugar on top here, so it will get more joined together. See, I'm painting the roof side here. You can paint the entire roof now like this. Here, and make it that, and also here. Here. So, the next now is that you want to put this one together because it's broken. You just put this one in the sugar, and then you put it there like this, and then you hold it a bit, and then after a few seconds it's already. So the next now is that you put this is called pipa in Norwegian, pipa. So you take the spoon with sugar and you paint the side here like this, and then the other side you need to do it very fast. like this, and you put it in here, and then you just leave it there for a while. Then you take the other one, this is the other side, into the sugar, and then you put it in here, and then side wall here, and just hold it there, like so. And then the next one, this one, and this one is the other side here, like this. So you put it in sugar, put it in the sugar, there's the sugar there, and then you put it in here, so, come here, it's too hard. And then you put this one here. Now it's dry, so now you can put it in. You put this one in the sugar, the spoon in the sugar, and then you paint the side here a little bit, and then the other side, like so. And then you finish, and then you put it in here again, and then make sure it's stuck in the roof, like so. And then you can just make it nice. And the next now is just you put a little bit the side here to paint it so it is getting stuck in the roof. Here on the side here, you can put it underneath here, like so. And then you can show me. And then you put it here on the side here, and make sure it's stuck in the roof. Can help supporting the roof a little bit. And this is and this is a nice activity that you can do with your son or your daughter, and then they will like to see how it's done. Now it's finished. And now the next one you do now is that you're gonna put some melies. It's called melies. It's very fine sugar. It's like a powder. And the next now is that you do is you put some water over the roof. So you just add some water on your glass. So okay. And you put that's too hard. Put the water a little bit in the glass, like so much, like this much. And you come here, and then you just throw it over the roof, like this. So the next one you do now, you open up this one. And then you just very gently, you just put it like this on the roof, like this. It's like snowing, and then the snow is stuck in the roof. The sugar, the melies. It's nice, it's very nice, and that's how you can make a ginger house, tapacacus. Now it looks like it's snowing. And then you can decorate with lots of animals, stuff outside. So put it here. And now we just turn around, and then you can see how it looks like all around the house here. See how nice it can be. It's so easy.